hard to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles on everyone. I think of you and of all I should have done.
There are several ways to get the rules onto the blocks. You can use a Sharpie and draw them in. You can use some craft paint, paint them on. You can go pick up an inexpensive wood burning kit. I think I got this one for $15 at the local craft store. Or you can be in the position that I'm in and be fortunate enough to have a CNC machine.
Every day is a struggle and a strife. But don't you agree? With beating hearts, we're still alive. There comes a time when all you have is who you love. And Cornelia, you'll be all I'm thinking of. You don't mean a thing, what shape or form that you're in. The place you're from, the wealth or the color of your skin. And all you have burns to the sky. It's all too late, and you wonder why. Cornelia. Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. See how you've grown while you roam in the streets all alone. All you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Another day, like the mothers of Brazil find their way. we're all on our own. But you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the sun.